Action!
Hey, I'm Ben, I think.
And I'm Joe. Anyways, we have more news and announcements to keep you updated.
If you guys even pay attention. But let's get into it.
Cue the intro.
In national news, recently Kanye West has shown his support for our president Donald Trump. He quickly gained backlash for freely showing his views and has stirred up the internet and political news. West sent a barrage of tweets Thursday, April 26, complimenting the president on his dragon energy. After a call from his wife, Kim Kardashian West, Kanye clarified that he does not agree with all of the president's policies.
Now for MP3 News. MP3 Drama Club will be performing Jack Popoway's play Dear Delinquent this Friday, May 4th and Saturday, May 5th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the courtroom. It's a comedy set in the 1950s about a female burglar and her pursuit of a man who happens to have her bag of stolen jewels and a rich fiancé. Will she be able to steal his heart? Watch the play and find out. Tickets are $2 per sale and $3 at the door. Hope to see you there.
Want to enjoy some tacos after school? There will be a taco sale this Friday, May 4th from 3 to 3:30 in the Quad. A plate will include 2 tacos, chicken or asada, with beans and rice for only $7. Add a soda for 1 and horchata for 2. To be clear, the food trucks are available to high school and middle school from 3 to 3:30 p.m. only. Get some tacos before the drama performance.
Seniors, start thinking about who you would like to crown. Seja and Chloe will be holding sign-ups next week. Remember, you can only crown one person. Crowning will officially take place on Monday, May 21st.
Congratulations to Joseph Hernandez, Michaela Penman, Mia Jamila, Lily Boehm, and Erica Galvez, who were elected our new student government officials last Friday, April 27th. Lorenzo and Jared caught some footage of the campaign assembly. Take it away.
That I'm really qualified for. I'm Erica Galvez, current student body secretary and next year's student body secretary, because I was so lucky to have no competition. Hey, good day, students. My name is Mia Jamila, and I want to be your 2018-2019 treasurer. I believe that because of my abilities and my liking of math, I'd be confident and successful in being treasurer. My name is Michaela Penman. I'm currently a junior, and I stand here today honored to have the opportunity to be your 2018-2019 Student Body Vice President.
My name is Jacob Franco, and I'm running to become your Student Body President. A vote for Jacob Franco would mean a vote for the student body as a whole, and a student government that actually represents you. And before I finish, I have one more thing to say. I must fulfill a promise to Ben Simmons and remind you not to let these speeches distract you from the fact that the bees are dying in mass numbers.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Dearly beloved, assembled guests, gathered associates. If you don't know me from PNN, I am Joseph Hernandez, but you may call me Joseph for short. I believe I'm the most qualified for this position. I will also improve the things that happen right here on campus. For example, rallies, I'll bring back the hype. Friday fun time, I'll bring back the hype. Sports media, I'll bring back the hype. Food trucks, I'll bring back the hype. And also, ideas that you present, I'll bring back the hype.
Hello everyone, my name is Karen Polito, and I am running for your student body president. I'm the student who's always participating during Spirit Week, the one who's in front of the crowd to cheer for our class chants, the student that will yell during rallies to compete for pirate points. I'm that one person who deeply values what our school has to offer. Thank you guys.
You've been nominated for a Kindness Campaign Hero. Isn't that exciting?
Yes.
What's your favorite act of kindness?
The simple things, like holding a door open for someone or smiling and saying hi to someone as they walk by.
Thank you. Why did you vote for Heather?
I voted for Heather because she's a very genuine person.
She's always kind to others, and she's a great model to look up to.
What is your favorite act of kindness?
Anything that has to do with just voluntarily helping others.
Thank you. You've been nominated for a Kindness Campaign Hero. Isn't that exciting?
Yes.
What is your favorite act of kindness?
Just genuinely caring about people and asking how their day is.
Thank you.
I nominated Bella because she's always nice to anyone she ever meets on a daily basis, no matter what. Even if she's in a bad mood, she tries to make everybody else's day better. Every day, Bella always gives me her bag of fruit. Even if she's hungry, we share it. And although it seems insignificant, it always makes my day.
Thank you.
Yes.
You have been nominated to be a Kindness Campaign Hero. Isn't that exciting?
Yes. I believe small acts of kindness, such as saying hello to someone, asking how their day was, or just genuinely feeling like or acting like you care for them, kind of can brighten up anyone's day, because you never know what could be going on with someone's life, and just kind of interacting with them and communicating with them, to even if people like you don't know, it just kind of brightens up.
Thanks.
I nominated Gene because he's like an all-around good person, and he's always down to help people, and he's just there. If you need to like talk to him, he'll be there for you. If you see someone down, then you should like go talk to them, especially if they're like your friend, and you know they're like, maybe if they're like acting a little weird, then you should like go ask them like what's up, maybe like you know, try to help them out a little bit, buy them food or something. So yeah.
Thank you. You've been nominated for a Kindness Campaign Hero. Isn't that exciting?
Yes, I'm honored. I like when people are kind because they want to be, not because they're expecting something in return.
Thank you. Why'd you nominate Sohaila?
I nominated her because she's always positive in every single way, and she's just always kind and looking for other ways just to help people out. My favorite act of kindness is when people are working together and when people care for other people.
Thank you.
Well, that was our latest hot episode of PNN.
Make sure to save those bees and come back for the next episode.
See you then.